Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is LFS Coach, and in this video I'll be sharing with you a very useful website that I found that can help you to track your trading performance. All right, so the website is Trader Waves, as you can see here. All right, so it's a free platform where you can move all your trading history from MT4 or any platform you are trading on to TraderWave, and it will analyze your trade history for you. Okay, so just as you can see here, I moved two accounts to this website just to see how it works. So I move MT5, a Profem account, and I move a live account. Okay, so what you can see now is that it has analyzed my trade from August 4 to September 4. So that's the month of statistics, and everything that is using here is from my MT4 account. Okay, so how I did it is to come to, so first you need to sign up. All right, and after signing up, you come to account, and you add account here. Okay, so when you click add account, you can pick MT5, MT4, DX, any trading platform you are using, and you just put in your normal login details, your trading login details, and you can see it. You connect to the API, and it takes account of your account balance and all the information you have on the account. Then probably you can also create a portfolio. Let's say you have two accounts that you want to match together as a portfolio. You can do that as well. Okay, so why I really love this platform is that it shows you all your trade history and then analyze it. Okay, so what you can see here for me is that it's showing me August for 2025 to September for 2025. Okay, but this account is just for a week, so I started September 1st. So let's leave the date as it is at the moment. So what you can see now is within this date range, I've taken 7 trades in total. Okay, and I had 3 days of consistent wins. Okay, and I've had 7 winning trades as well. Okay, so this is my winning streaks, right? So 7 days profitable days and 7 winning trades, which is good for me, so I can see how my performance is. Okay, and that can also help me to modify my strategy where necessary, and you know modify my emotions or whatever modification you want to do to your trading. Okay, so let's see, within this period I've gained 5.09, and my net profit is 5,094.54. Okay, so why I actually stopped this, because it's a profit account, and the target is actually 5%. Okay, so which means I've passed this challenge. So yeah, daily returns 1.67, weekly 5.07, and monthly, this. Okay, so you can also check move between percentage or dollar rate, as you wish. Okay, so in terms of risk, the maximum drawdown I've had on this account within this time period is 0.68%, which is good for me. Then I can say that, okay, this week is really good because I barely have drawdown. I have drawdown less than 1% of my account. Okay, and equity and the current balance. Okay, and the highest balance, which is because I have all my trade closed. So deposit and withdrawal, not the withdrawal yet, and you can see the deposit. And so these are the commission I paid, and the money I also paid on swap. Okay, so what is my win rate? So this will also analyze all your trade history to tell you your win rate, which is good for you. Okay, so my win rate is 100%, which means throughout this period I did not close any loss, and average win to average loss. So my average winning trade is $727, and I have no loss because I didn't close any loss on this account basically. And the average trade period, so on average I've traded for like 3 hours 15 minutes, and I've traded only gold. Okay, so you can basically break down your trade history to see what your performance is. Okay, and I will just walk you through what we have here. So you can see, like I said, I started this account September 1st and I closed my very first trade September 2nd. So you can see I made $1,941 because I was trading with 1:2. So I basically made about $2 and 2%. And that's why, so because I carried the trade from September 1st to September 7th, I had to pay this swap. Okay. So that reduced my profit from being $2,000 or whatever. Okay, so you can see the trend that my balance continues to go up until it gets to my 5% where I closed all my trade and passed the challenge. All right, so well, your trade history, I will show you another trade history that is not as smooth as this, but what information this is telling you that you are consistently making profit, which means your strategy is good. Okay, so and in terms of profit, you can see the same information. So here you can also change the metrics. So here at the moment we are saying the metrics. We can come down to see calendar. So calendar will show you how much you made each day. So like I said, I started this account September 1st. So I guess that is why this dot is there. So okay, balance change. Okay, so I started this account September 1st. I traded September 1st, but I closed the trade on Tuesday, which is September 2nd, and I made about 3.28% September 2nd. So on the 3rd, I made 0.93%. I closed my trade about 1:1. Okay, and on Thursday, I closed my trade at 0.82%, and in total, that is no, I made some profit on Friday as well. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to move this date to Friday. So I'll say from this day to Friday. So let's say September 1st to let's just use this one because it's the account only runs for 5 days. So I don't know why it's not updating my profits on Friday because I traded on Friday as well. But I mean, so this is what we have. So it will show you your trades for each day and how much you made in dollar value and in percentage. So daily win 100%, and have some breakdown for you. And so yearly performance, I've only traded this account in September, and this is my whole profit. Okay. Now, so after calendar, what else you have? You have news which it does not relate to your account. And when you come to journal, so when we're on dashboard earlier, so on journal, you can see all my trades: buy gold, 0.1 lot, buy 1 lot size, buy 0.8, buy 0.7, buy 1 lot, buy 0.9. So these are all the trades I took on this account. So like I said, you to copy all your trades from MetaTrader or whatever trading platform you're using, and then analyze it on this platform, which is good for you. Okay. And so I'll just go back to dashboard, then switch. So you can come to daily journal where you can see your starting balance for the day. So you have to change this calendar. So I can change to Thursday when I made 850, then Friday. Well, I don't know why it's skipping Friday. All right, so let's go back to dashboard and I will show you another account that has more information. So this is my FBS account. So this is my FBS account. This already have my Friday's profit in here. Okay, so we're on dashboard. Let's just go back to metrics. And what can you see here? So this account has gained. So this is from September 1st to September 5th. So I will extend this one to say 1 year. So let's just see 1 year, then apply. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, now so 1 year is telling me I've made 168% since I started trading on the account. So I made 3,000 profit, and I've traded 131 trades. Okay, and I had 13 days winning streaks. Okay, which means I traded for 19 days consecutively, and I was ending in profit. I was making profit. okay, and 16 trades, 16 trades. Okay, so I've traded 16 times and I closed all the trade in profit. Okay, and so period return on average, I made about 3.7% daily, and I made 13% weekly, 21% monthly. Just to give me some kind of overview around how I'm trading. So, and you can also pitch this. So, if you want to tell me that you know how to trade, or you want me to fund your account, you want me to fund you to trade for me, you can present this kind of dashboard, which gives me some data about your trade performance, if you get what I mean. Okay, so I just redo some of my profits, and that's why my balance is back is 391. So I just did that today. Okay, now what can we see? The maximum balance drawdown is 1.12, which is really bad for this account. Current equity is 391. Okay, because I just withdrew. So highest balance is 4,931 before I would do. So I would do 4,000. So you can see here, I deposited 1,838 into this account, and I just withdraw $4,000. Okay. So what's my win rate on this account? Which is 76.3, which is good for me. And the profit factor is 2.35. Okay. Now, what profit factors tells you is how well are you making profit over all the trades you are taking. Okay, anything from 2% is good. Well, anything from 1% means you're in profit, but anything at 2 means you're a profitable trader. Okay, if that makes sense. Average winning trade is 53.83 and average losing trade is 73.87. All right. Average trade duration, because this is a longer period, so it's 25.44%, and I've traded quite a few trades on this account. So you can see how the account started. So it started from here. I made this loss, then recover back, then loss again, and it has been steady from here. So now this is another story about how I've been managing this trade since I started. So I started from here, made loss, I start, then recover back, then made another loss, and then from there the account has been going in a steady uptrend. Okay, so what else do we have here? So this is what all we can see about the metrics. All right, so but very important point is just to see winning days, winning trades, have the period return is good. Then you can see maximum drawdown. Okay, so this is a really bad drawdown to have 81% loss on the account, which I know is not true. Okay, because at some point when I moved it, it just archived all my previous trades. So it did not record it as individual trade. It records it as group of trades. I don't know if you get what I mean, or your broker does that. Okay, so that's why it's like 81%. All right, so let's go back to calendar to see. Now, so this one is giving us more information. So daily win rate is 81 point, what is this? 81% or whatever. And average winning days is 0.65. I don't know what this means really, but you can see that most of the time I win 81.4% of any trade I take in that day. Okay. And net daily profit or loss. So you can see the day I made a loss on the account, and when I made profit. Okay, and as it is. So you can see that this is like an outlier, because this is extreme, this is extreme. So like I said, it grouped all the losses I've made before this period, and all the profit I made before the period, and just I don't know what it did anyway. All right, so as you can see, yearly performance, May minus 707 from 11 trades. In June, I only took one trade and I have 1,000. And July, one trade and lost 586. August, 102 trades. Okay. And September, 16 trades. Okay. So basically, I started trading fully on this account August. Okay. Because all these periods I was working full time. I barely, that's why my trading is just like this, because I barely have time for the charge. You can see only one trade in June, only one trade in July, 11 trades in May, all this period. I was not really a full-time trader. I was just trying to trade, to keep up with the lifestyle. But August, I started trading full-time. and September, so I'm just starting over again. All right. So so what we can see here is that September 1st, I made 1.24%. On Tuesday, I made 10%. On Wednesday, I made 5.3%. On Thursday, I made 2.99%. On Friday, I made 2.10%. And total for the week, I made about 23.55%. Okay, so just imagine if this is a profit account and you're able to make 23% in a week, this is good for you. All right, and I will just show you some of the trades. I was still within the risk management. So let's see August. So we have more information in August. So August, as you can see, the whole first week in August, I was not trading at all. If you also check July, I was not trading. So like I said, these are just, I don't know, maybe I took one trade here or just group all my trades and then put one date. I don't know. But as you can see, I was not trading. I was not actively trading because I don't really have time. I have other stuff I was doing all this period, and that is why the whole history is like this. But then you can see it gives you information about 11 trades, 6 win, profit is this, then I lost minus 38%. Okay, and as you can see, this is I made 0.2%, lost 0.24%, 5%, 0.1, and here I lost 41%. So I mean, it gives you an overview about your account, and you can see how you are performing. So let's come back to August. So August, I lost about 16.41% when I started trading full time. Okay, and subsequently I made 32%, 11, 14, 5, 0.77, 2.9. So on average, I was positive all through the month, and then we started September on a very good note. So I mean, it's just the consistency that really matters, and this is what I can see. So I'm interpreting what this chart is telling me now into my trading, and I'm saying, okay, what did I do right on Friday? What did I do right on Thursday? Why did I have better percentage on Tuesday than Monday? Monday I only had 1.24, and on Tuesday I had 10%. So what happened? Did I take more trade on Tuesday? So if I open it, you can see. So I took 4 trades, and my best trade was 164. I won all the trades. You can view in journal. So if I want to see all the trades I took that day, so I can come here to see, okay, I took by 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So, I mean, just see I'm on a $4,000 account. And if you check the timing, it's not the same time, okay? I took this one very early in the morning, maybe this one together, and this one late in the evening, okay? So, just using 0.1, not over leveraging. All right, so let's come back to dashboard. Yeah, so this information you can see, and then we are coming back from metrics to see the trade performance. All right, so let's come back to journals. So journals, you can see all your trades just as you have it on your MT4. Okay, and you can add some mindset, rate the trade. You can input the strategy and do some analysis there. So I just thought to share this tool with you. I just discovered it somewhere. I can't even remember where. And I feel you can just sign up. It's a free platform. You're not paying anybody just to have this dashboard. Then you can analyze your trade and see where you can improve on. I hope you have been able to learn one or two things in this video. I'll see you on another video. Yes.